this.
It is 5 a.m. It's Thursday, June 23rd. I'm Gary Libator, meteorologist Hannah Evans joining us here on this Thursday morning to get us started. And you know what? It almost feels like October out there this morning.
Yes, it is a little bit chillier. It's a little bit muggy. We are seeing some scattered showers this morning, but we finally look to dry out later on today, and the sunshine returns for the weekend.
Yeah, those chilly temperatures are not fun.
Yeah, I know. So let's take a look now at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 at Doppler radar, tracking scattered showers this morning, becoming heavy at times in the areas in the yellow and the orange. So there is some ponding on the roadways, so be careful when driving this morning. But we do look to dry out later on this afternoon, and the sunshine returns for tomorrow and the weekend. So as of right now, temperatures is at 60 degrees at the Griffith Park Airport in Rome. It is a little bit muggy outside with that dew point at 58 degrees, but once again, we are seeing some scattered showers. So rain will persist throughout this morning. We will finally dry out today and tonight for mostly cloudy skies, and that sunshine and warmer weather returns for tomorrow and for the weekend. As for today, though, expect mostly cloudy skies once the rain clears out. High temperatures are going to be in the upper 60s, and that will have your weekend forecast coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Sentencing is
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. We are tracking scattered rain showers this morning that could become heavy at times, but we are clearing out for the afternoon and evening. Let's take a look now at the CAVI tower camera. As you can see, it is raining. You can't really see the city of Utica. Some foggy skies here this morning and some dark clouds with our temperatures in the upper 50s to low 60s. On the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 at Doppler radar, we are seeing rain showers kind of just in our area. The yellow and the orange means that is heavier rain. There is some ponding on the roadways this morning as well, so just be careful when driving. This is all due to this stalled cold front that is kind of sitting over our area. It will slowly move out throughout the morning, and we do look mostly dry by the afternoon, but it is going to be a mostly cloudy day, not really warming up that much with temperatures just near 70. As of right now, we are kind of muggy. Temperatures in the upper 50s to low 60s. We have 58 degrees in Dowdesville, 58 degrees in Whitesboro, and 60 degrees in Westmoreland. Looking to the south, we have 59 degrees in Hamilton and 60 degrees in Sherburne this morning. It is going to remain mostly cloudy today, so once again, not looking to really warm up that much, but the chance of rain remains scattered at this point. It will drop down to a low chance later on this morning and kind of remain at just a chance for the rest of the day. We do look to dry out this afternoon and evening. And finally, the sunshine looks to return for tomorrow. No chance of rain for tomorrow and for the weekend. So if you were planning out your weekend, it does look pretty nice for both days. Mostly sunny on Saturday, hot and humid. Highs are going to be in the mid to upper 80s. And on Sunday, highs almost near 90. Very hot and humid. And since it is going to be really humid on Sunday, that brings in the possibility for a weak thunderstorm or a passing shower, but otherwise we do look to remain mostly dry. Sunday night is our next chance for seeing some rain showers, and that lingers into Monday morning. So at this point, we are still seeing some rain showers this morning due to that stalled cold front. That looks to move through later on in the morning, but a few pop-up showers are still possible throughout the day. Otherwise, we are dry, mostly cloudy, highs near 70. Tonight, those clouds will slowly start to decrease, and tomorrow they will continue to decrease throughout the morning. Sunshine returns for the day, and highs are going to be right near 80. Sunshine looks to remain on Saturday. We wake up in the upper 50s, and we will rise to the mid to upper 80s for the high temperature. It also is going to be humid on Saturday. As for today, though, we are still tracking some rain showers this morning until that cold front moves through. Then we dry out to mostly cloudy skies. Highs are going to be right near 70. Tonight it will remain dry, but mostly cloudy. Those clouds will slowly start to decrease in the early morning hours of tomorrow, a low in the upper 50s. So the sunshine returns for tomorrow and the weekend, getting hot and humid for Saturday and Sunday. A cold front moves through Sunday night into Monday, bringing some showers and will break the heat and humidity. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. The Utica Yeti box look.
Welcome back. We're still seeing some scattered showers this morning due to a cold front moving through. We do look to dry out later on this afternoon and evening for mostly cloudy skies, and we look to remain dry for the rest of the weekend. The next chance for some rain looks to be Sunday night into Monday morning. So if you did want to spend some time outside, maybe grill this weekend, I would say Friday, Saturday, and Sunday would be great. Maybe even tonight, because it is going to be dry by the time dinner time rolls around. So once again, this this weekend, it is going to be very hot and humid. It is going to feel like the middle of summer with sunshine on both days. Highs are going to be in the mid-80s on Saturday and in the upper 80s, almost near 90 on Sunday. And that brings in the possibility for a pop-up thunderstorm just because it is going to be so humid. But otherwise, it does look mostly dry with sunshine for this weekend. I'll have a look at the commute forecast for today coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Time now to look at some of the events happening Thursday, June 23rd. I'm Gary Libator, meteorologist Hannah Evans, joining us here on this Thursday morning to help us get going. And we do need a little help. It's damp and a little bit chilly out.
Yes, we are seeing scattered showers this morning, but we do look to clear out later on this afternoon, and the sunshine returns for the weekend.
Barbecue tonight, then.
Yes, barbecue tonight. So let's take a look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Once again, tracking some scattered showers. The yellow and the orange on this radar is heavier bands of showers. Ponding on the roadways is possible, so just be careful when driving this morning. Right now, we are measuring 60 degrees at the Griffith Park Airport in Rome. That dew point is at 58 degrees, so it is a little bit muggy outside and a little bit chilly to start this morning. So the rain will continue through this morning. We will dry out later on this afternoon and for tonight to mostly cloudy skies. And the sunshine returns tomorrow and for the weekend, and we do look to get a lot warmer. But for today, expect rain to end later on into the afternoon. Mostly cloudy skies for the rest of the day. Highs in the upper 60s, and then we'll have your weekend forecast coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. The local unemployment rate.
Most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are tracking some rain showers this morning, but we do look to clear out later on this afternoon and evening. High temperatures today reaching the upper 60s. So let's take a look now at the Marabodo Tower camera overlooking Oneonta. We are seeing some dark clouds, a few rain showers, and foggy skies this morning. It is a little bit muggy outside as well. Temperatures are in the upper 50s as of right now. Taking a look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 at Doppler radar, we can see this band of rain showers kind of just in our area. This is due to a stalled cold front that is slowly moving our area, bringing in some scattered rain showers throughout this morning that could become heavy at times, that yellow and that orange color. So just be careful when driving this morning. There could be some ponding on the roadways. We do look to clear out this afternoon and for this evening to mostly cloudy skies. We are mainly in the upper 50s this morning. We have 57 degrees in Inlet, 59 degrees in Utica, and 60 degrees in Westmoreland. Looking to the south, we have 59 degrees in Hamilton and in Sherburne. So our high temperature today is going to reach right near 70. We're not going to warm up that much because although we do dry out, we will continue to see mostly cloudy skies for the remainder of the day. So we are seeing some scattered showers here this morning. The chance of rain drops down to just a chance as we head into the later morning hours, early afternoon, and we will remain that way for the rest of the day. As we head into tomorrow, the chance of rain goes back down to low. We are not expecting any rain showers for tomorrow or for the weekend. So all in all, looks to be a pretty nice but hot weekend ahead. It is going to be very humid for both days. Mostly sunny on Saturday. Highs are going to be in the mid-80s. And on Sunday, highs reaching right near 90. Very hot and more humid on Sunday. This brings in the possibility for a weak thunderstorm or two because of the humidity. But otherwise, we are mostly dry throughout the entire weekend, and our next chance of rain looks to be Sunday night into Monday morning. So this morning, we are still seeing a few scattered showers moving through because of that cold front that is stalled over our area. That will continue to move throughout the day. We will dry out late morning, early afternoon, but a pop-up shower can still be possible throughout the day and mostly cloudy skies. Tonight, those clouds will slowly start to decrease and will continue to decrease throughout the morning hours tomorrow. We will finally see that sun return tomorrow with highs reaching right near 80. Getting a lot warmer as we head into the weekend. On Saturday, the sunshine remains throughout the day and high temperatures are going to be in the mid-80s. It also is going to get a little bit humid. As for today, though, we are dealing with muggy conditions. A few rain showers still lingering through, moving through this morning due to that cold front. We will dry out to mostly cloudy skies. Highs are going to be near 70. Tonight, we will remain dry, but mostly cloudy. Those clouds will slowly start to decrease, a low in the upper 50s. So today is the last day of the unsettled weather. Sunshine and dry conditions return for tomorrow and for the weekend, getting very hot and humid for both Saturday and Sunday. Saturday, our high temperatures are in the mid-80s and almost near 90 on Sunday. Our next chance of rain looks to be Sunday night into Monday morning. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. For a handful of local college.
Welcome back. It is going to feel a little bit muggy today. We are on the verge of seeing dew point values between muggy and comfortable. But as we head into Saturday and Sunday, it is going to feel humid and it is going to be hot as well, so keep that in mind. You make sure you stay hydrated if you are heading outside. A cold front moves through Sunday night into Monday morning. That breaks the heat and the humidity. So for today, we will remain a little bit cool with highs just near 70, but heading into tomorrow and the weekend, highs are going to be back in the 80s, almost near 90 for Sunday. And then once again, that cold front moves through. That breaks the heat and the humidity. So sleeping tonight should feel comfortable. We are going to be pretty cool with lows in the 50s, but then heading into tomorrow, Friday, and then into Saturday and Sunday, it is going to feel a little bit humid and hot. I would definitely turn on the air conditioner for especially Saturday and Sunday. I'll have a look at the commute forecast coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. A bloodhound named Thursday, June 23rd. I'm Gary Libator, meteorologist Hannah Evans, joining us here on this Thursday morning to get us started. And man, it feels like almost a fall day this morning. Yes, we are seeing some scattered showers, heavier rains at times, so there could be ponding on the roadways, so be careful. But we do look to dry out later on. Feels chilly too. Yes, temperatures are in the upper 50s. Yeah. So let's take a look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Once again, tracking some scattered showers moving through this morning. The yellow and the orange and the darker green, those are the heavier showers. Could be seeing some ponding on the roadways, so just be careful this morning. The National Weather Service has just issued a flood advisory. This is in effect until 9 a.m. It is in effect for the central part of Otsego County, including Oneonta. So keep that in mind. We could be seeing some ponding on the roadways and some minor flooding in areas of poor drainage. So rain continues through this morning. We do look to dry out later on this afternoon and for this evening, but it will remain mostly cloudy. The sunshine finally returns for tomorrow and for the weekend, and we will be seeing warmer weather ahead. But for today, expect rain showers this morning. We will clear out to mostly cloudy skies later on. Highs are going to be right near 70, and I will have your weekend forecast coming up. Back to you, Gary. Hannah, thanks. Sentencing is expected in on
Most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. We are tracking some rain showers moving through this morning, but we do look to dry out this afternoon and evening. Let's take a look now at the Rapido Tower camera overlooking Oneonta. We are seeing some foggy conditions as well as dark skies in our area. It is a little bit chilly as well with our temperatures in the upper 50s. On the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we are tracking the heaviest of rain kind of moving through the eastern part of our viewing area, which includes the central part of Herkimer County as well as Otsego County. So keep that in mind for this morning. This is due to a stalled cold front over our area that is slowly moving through, bringing in some rain showers that are heavier in the eastern part of our viewing area. And because of this, the National Weather Service has put out a flood advisory for some part of Otsego County. This is in effect until 9 a.m. this morning. Could be seeing ponding on the roadways, so definitely take it slow when driving, and flooding could be possible in areas of poor drainage. Now, just remember, an advisory means less severe flooding could just become an inconvenience for commuting this morning. Not that flooding is occurring or anything, but just keep that in mind. Could be seeing some ponding on the roadways and inconvenience when commuting. But according to our sky watchers, we are in mainly the upper 50s to low 60s. We have 60 degrees in Clinton and New Hartford and 58 degrees in Old Forge. Looking to the south, we have 57 degrees in Cooperstown and 59 degrees in Lawrence. Our high temperature today looks to reach right near 70, so we will not be warming up that much because although we will dry out, we will still remain mostly cloudy. So we are going to continue to see scattered showers through this morning, but then come the early afternoon, the chance of rain does drop down to just a chance. We do look to dry out this evening and overnight to mostly cloudy skies. But then come tomorrow and for the weekend, there's a low chance of rain. It is not looking like we are going to be seeing any precipitation. This weekend is looking very nice. We are going to be seeing sunshine for both days, but it is going to be hot and humid. Saturday, highs in the mid-80s, mostly sunny, and very, very hot on Sunday, highs near 90, and it is going to be even more humid on Sunday. So if you are outside this weekend, make sure you are staying hydrated. On our skycast this morning, we are going to continue to see some showers move through. It looks to clear out by early afternoon to mostly cloudy skies. High temperatures temperatures today only reaching near 70. And tonight we will start to see those clouds decrease and into the early morning hours of tomorrow, with the sunshine returning for the day tomorrow and highs near 80. Sunshine remains in the area for both Saturday and Sunday. A little bit cooler on Saturday compared to Sunday, but still hot and humid. Highs are going to be in the mid-80s. As for today, though, our highs are right near 70. Still tracking some rain showers for the morning. We look to clear out by afternoon for mostly cloudy skies, and we will remain dry overnight with a low in the upper 50s. So today looks like the last day of unsettled weather. Sunshine returns for the weekend. We get a lot warmer on Saturday and Sunday, very hot and humid. Our next chance of rain looks to be Sunday night into Monday morning. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. The Utica Yeti box look.
Back. We are going to continue to see scattered showers through this morning and early afternoon. We will dry out tonight, and we are not looking to see any rain through the weekend. Our next chance of rain looks to be Sunday at night into Monday morning. So if you did want to spend some time outside, maybe grill this weekend, I would definitely say yes for Friday through Sunday. It's a maybe for today. The rain does dry out by this afternoon. It is just going to be mostly cloudy and a little bit cooler in comparison to the weekend. It is going to get very hot over the weekend. Highs on Saturday are going to be in the mid-80s and near 90 on Sunday. It is going to be humid for both days as well, so make sure you stay hydrated if you are going to be outside. I'll have a look at the commute forecast coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Time now to look at some of the events. Wednesday, June 23rd. I'm Gary Libator, meteorologist Hannah Evans, joining us to help us all plan our Thursday ahead. And at least for the afternoon, we should bring an umbrella, right? The morning and the afternoon?
Yes, the morning and early afternoon. Then after early afternoon, we do look to clear out, mostly cloudy skies. Not getting too warm today, and then the sunshine finally returns tomorrow.
So get those grills out tonight, right?
Yes, for tonight we should be all dried out. So let's take a look now at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We are tracking just a few light showers in the western part of our viewing area, but the eastern part of our viewing area is kind of getting hit pretty heavily with some rain showers at this time. So definitely be careful when driving. The National Weather Service has issued a flood advisory for some parts of Otsego County, including Oneonta, Otsego, Hartwick, and Lawrence. This is in effect until 9 a.m. this morning. Now, an advisory just means that flooding could be occurring, but not severe. It just may become an inconvenience when commuting, ponding on roadways, minor flooding in areas of poor drainage. So once again, just be careful when driving this morning. We are going to continue to see rain throughout this morning. It does look to clear out by late afternoon, evening, and we will be mostly cloudy throughout the day, not getting too warm, but the sunshine and the warmth returns for tomorrow and for the weekend. As for today, though, expect rain showers this morning. We will clear out to mostly cloudy skies, highs reaching right near 70, and I'll have your weekend forecast coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Locally elected officials as well as
York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are seeing some rain showers this morning, but we do look to clear out to mostly cloudy skies in the afternoon and evening. High temperatures reaching the upper 60s. On the Mirabito Tower camera overlooking Oneonta this morning, we do see some dark clouds as well as some foggy conditions. It is a bit muggy outside, and once again, some of us are seeing rain this morning. So on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, the lighter rain is in the western part of our viewing area, but if we look at the eastern part of our viewing area, some heavy rain falling down right now in Herkimer and Otsego County. This is due to a cold front that is kind of stalling and moving very, very slowly over our area. The rain does look to clear out by the afternoon and evening. We are still going to be seeing mostly cloudy skies throughout the day. So because of the heavy rain that is moving in the western part of our viewing area, the National Weather Service has put out a flood advisory in effect until 9 a.m. this morning for some parts of Otsego County, including Oneonta, Hartwick, and Lawrence. Now, once again, an advisory is just put in effect for non-severe flooding. It just could be an inconvenience when commuting to your destination this morning. So just be careful for ponding on the roadways as well as minor flooding issues in areas of poor drainage. This morning we are in the upper 50s to low 60s, and we are not going to warm up that much today because it is going to remain mostly cloudy. 58 degrees in Old Forge, 60 degrees in Clinton and New Hartford. Looking to the south, we have 57 degrees in Cooperstown and 59 degrees in Lawrence. So at this point, we are still seeing some scattered showers. By late morning, early afternoon, the chance of rain just goes down to a chance, and it will remain that way for the rest of the day. The chance of rain goes down to low for Friday, and we are not looking at any rainfall for this upcoming weekend. We are going to see that sunshine return tomorrow. It is going to get very hot over the weekend. On Saturday, mostly sunny, highs in the mid-80s and almost near 90 on Sunday. It is going to be humid for both days, but more humid on Sunday. So if you are going to spend some time outside this weekend, definitely make sure you are staying hydrated. So for this morning, once again, we do have that flood advisory in effect for some parts of Otsego County. We are seeing some heavy rainfall in the western part of our viewing area. That looks to move out by late morning, early afternoon. Mostly cloudy skies persist for the day with highs near 70. Tonight, it will remain mostly cloudy, and we will start to see those clouds decrease early tomorrow morning. Sunshine makes a return for tomorrow, much better with highs right near 80. Heading into Saturday, the sunshine remains, and we will be getting a little bit warmer. We'll be a little bit humid on Saturday and highs in the mid-80s. As for today, though, our highs are going to be just right near 70. A few rain showers still this morning. We look to clear out in the afternoon and evening, but remain mostly cloudy. Tonight, we will remain mostly cloudy before those clouds decrease early tomorrow morning, a low in the upper 50s. So sunshine makes a return for tomorrow. Highs are going to be right near 80, a lot warmer and humid over the weekend. Saturday and Sunday, highs in the upper 80s. Our next chance of rain looks to be Sunday night into Monday, and that cold front coming in will break the heat and humidity. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Medical students from the University of New England.
Back today and tomorrow, we are on the verge of being comfortable and muggy, so it is going to feel just a little bit muggy outside. But then come the weekend on Saturday and Sunday, it is going to get humid, more humid on Sunday, so it is going to be very hot. A cold front will move through Sunday night into Monday. That will break the heat and the humidity. So today we will be a little bit cool with highs just near 70. But come tomorrow, we will be back in the 80s, and on Saturday and Sunday, almost near 90. So it is going to feel very hot and humid over the weekend. Make sure you are staying hydrated if heading outside. And once again, that cold front will move through Sunday night into Monday, breaking the heat and the humidity. So as you're sleeping tonight, it is going to still feel comfortable outside, cool with lows in the 50s. So I wouldn't do anything with the fan or the air conditioner just yet, but definitely over the weekend, especially on Saturday and Sunday, I would put that air conditioner on with the heat and the humidity. I'll have a look at the day planner coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. A bloodhound named 7 a.m. It's Thursday, June 23rd. I'm Gary Libator, meteorologist Hannah Evans, joining us here on this Thursday morning to get us going. And for folks who haven't been outside yet, bring a rain jacket and maybe a warm one. It's a little chilly.
Yes, we are seeing temperatures in the upper 50s and some heavier rain showers in the eastern part of our viewing area, so just be careful of some ponding on the roadways. So let's take a look now at the bus stop forecast. If you are heading out this morning, I would grab the umbrella just in case. The western side of our viewing area not really seeing any rain at this point, but the eastern side is seeing some heavier rain. Temperatures are in the low 60s, and we will be dried out but mostly cloudy in the afternoon. So expect us to dry out afternoon, evening for mostly cloudy skies. Highs are just going to be right near 70, and we will continue to be dry overnight with the low in the 50s. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Sentencing is expected in...
Back. Here's a live look at our CAV tower camera. We are seeing mostly cloudy skies, but we are clear on the western side of our viewing area, with that heavy rain still kind of moving through the eastern side of our viewing area. The rain looks to end this evening. The sunshine returns tomorrow, and we do get hot and humid over the weekend with sunshine. Highs in the mid-80s on Saturday and almost near 90 on Sunday. So make sure you are staying hydrated over the weekend. But as for today, we are seeing rain this morning. Highs are going to be right near 70. We look to dry out this evening, and tonight we will just be mostly cloudy with a low in the upper 50s. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Locally elected.
Welcome back. We are tracking heavier rain in the western or the eastern part of our viewing area this morning, and that looks to clear out into the afternoon. Let's take a look now at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Once again, this heavier band of rain kind of moving through Cooperstown, Oneonta, Little Falls area this morning. It does look to be cleared out by this afternoon for mostly cloudy skies. But because of this heavy rain, the National Weather Service has issued a flood advisory for certain parts of Otsego County. This includes Oneonta, Lawrence, Hartwick. This is in effect until 9 a.m. But just remember, an advisory is for minor flooding and just stuff that could be an inconvenience when commuting this morning. No severe flooding is occurring. It is just keep an eye out. We could be seeing some minor flooding in areas of poor drainage and ponding on the roadways. So just be careful when driving this morning. We are still seeing that heavier rain in the eastern part of our viewing area, but we are going to dry out this afternoon and this evening, and the sunshine and warmer weather finally returns for tomorrow and the weekend. So for today, expect rain through this morning, dry conditions in the afternoon and evening with mostly cloudy skies, highs near 70, and I will have your full weekend forecast coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Rescuers are digging by
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. We are tracking some heavier rainfall moving east this morning with our temperatures in the upper 50s. Let's take a look now at the Mirabito Tower camera overlooking Oneonta. We are seeing mostly cloudy skies across central New York. We are also seeing some fog and some heavier rainfall moving towards the east. So let's take a look now at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Little to no rain in the western part of our viewing area, but if we do look east, mainly Herkimer and Otsego County, we are seeing heavier bands of rain this morning. Could be seeing some ponding on the roadways. This is due to the stalled cold front sitting over our region. It will continue to push this rain out throughout late morning, early afternoon. We do look to dry out later on for mostly cloudy skies. But because of the heavier rain to the east, the National Weather Service has issued a flood advisory in effect for parts of Otsego County until 9 a.m. this morning. A flood advisory means that just some minor ponding on the roadways and minor flooding in areas of poor drainage could become an inconvenience when commuting this morning, but no severe flooding or anything is expected at this time. It is just to keep aware when driving this morning. So the chance of rain will drop down to low as we head into the afternoon and evening hours, and then overnight we finally clear out from those clouds and everything, and we will be seeing sunshine for tomorrow. No chance of rain to come in for this weekend. So this weekend is looking pretty nice. We are going to be seeing sunshine for both days. Highs in the mid-80s on Saturday, mostly sunny, and on Sunday almost near 90. It is going to be very hot for both days because we also are going to be seeing humid conditions. So if you are going to be outside at all, make sure you are staying hydrated throughout both of these days. So we are still seeing some heavier rain moving east, so it is in the eastern part of our viewing area this morning. Once again, we have that flood advisory in effect for Otsego County, so just be careful for ponding on the roadways and when commuting this morning. That will clear out afternoon. We will start to see mostly cloudy skies throughout the day, highs near 70, and those clouds will slowly start to decrease as we head into the early morning hours of tomorrow. Tomorrow we will see that sunshine return for most of the day, highs reaching right near 80, and on Saturday the sunshine remains for the day. It does get a little bit humid though, and highs are going to be in the mid to upper 80s. As for today though, we will remain cool as we dry out because it will be mostly cloudy. Highs are just going to reach right near 70 after that rain showers clear out later on into the afternoon. Tonight we will be dry, mostly cloudy skies with a low in the upper 50s. So once again, we are seeing heavy rain in the eastern part of our viewing area this morning, so be careful with ponding on the roadways. We will clear out this afternoon and evening. Sunshine returns tomorrow and for the weekend, getting hot and humid over the weekend. Our next chance for rain looks to be Sunday night into Monday morning, and that breaks the heat and the humidity.
It's Macy's 4th of July sale with our lowest prices of the season on
forecast this noon, and it's been a rainy one out, but the rain seems to be moving out, right?
Yes, we have since seen the rain move out of our area here this afternoon. It is just going to remain cloudy and cool with highs just reaching near 70. Let's take a look now at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. The heavy rain has since moved out of the area. It is now all towards the east, and we are dry at this point with mostly cloudy skies. But we did get a lot of rain this morning. Otsego got 2.5 inches, Hartwick at 2 1/4, and Mohawk a little bit less at just 1/2 inch of rain, but still anything over 2 inches, that is a lot of rain, and that fell all throughout this morning. So we are since drying out here at this point. Sunshine does look to return for tomorrow and for the weekend, and it is going to get hot and humid, especially for Saturday and for Sunday. But as for today, we are a bit muggy. Highs are just going to be in the upper 60s with mostly cloudy skies, and I'll have your full weekend forecast coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Staying with the weather.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back. We are now tracking the heavier rain that we saw this morning moving out of our area, but still cloudy and cool through the afternoon. So let's take a look now at the Cavity Tower camera. Mostly cloudy skies across all of central New York as this system continues to move out of the region, and it is pretty cool with a lot of our temperatures in the upper 50s and low 60s. So on the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we are dry in our viewing area at this point. That rain has since weakened and moved off into the east, and we are now looking to remain dry for the rest of the week and into the weekend. So this front kind of stalled over our area, bringing heavy downpours, especially to Otsego County here this morning. Over 2 inches of rain were recorded in some areas, but now that is all gone, has since moved out. But we will continue to see cloudy skies and cool conditions through the afternoon and evening. So according to our sky watchers, we are in the 50s to 60s. We have 56 degrees in Curtis Corners, 60 degrees in Mohawk and Otsego, and 61 degrees in Cassville. Our high temperature is only looking to rise to the upper 60s because it is going to remain mostly cloudy, so the sun is not really going to be warming us up that much. We are also going to be on the verge of seeing muggy conditions for today and tomorrow. That dew point value right in the upper 50s. And as we head into the weekend on Saturday and Sunday, it is going to get a little bit more humid, especially on Sunday. A cold front is expected to move through Sunday night into Monday morning, bringing some showers, and that will break the heat and the humidity. But it is going to be very hot and humid over the weekend. We are going to be seeing sunny skies on Saturday. Highs are going to be in the mid 80s and almost near 90 on Sunday. A little bit warmer and more humid on Sunday as well. So if you are going to be outside at all this weekend, definitely make sure to stay hydrated. It is going to be a hot one. It is going to be humid, so that's not really going to help with the heat. So on our skycast, we will continue to see cloudy and cool weather for the rest of the afternoon into the evening. A few peaks of sunshine can be expected, and tonight we will remain mostly cloudy, starting to see a decrease in clouds heading into tomorrow morning, and sunshine looks to return for the day tomorrow. Highs are going to be right near 80, so not that hot yet. But heading into Saturday, it is going to get a little bit more humid. The sunshine remains for the day, and we will warm up to the mid 80s and once again the upper 80s on Sunday. As for today, though, we are drying out from the rain this morning. Mostly cloudy for the rest of the day. A few peaks of sunshine can be expected. Highs are only going to be in the upper 60s. Tonight we have a low in the upper 50s, and it will remain mostly cloudy. We will start to see a decrease in clouds early tomorrow morning for sunshine throughout the day. Highs in the low 80s. Warming up a lot for Saturday with highs in the mid 80s and almost near 90 on Sunday, and it is going to be humid for both of these days. A cold front comes in Sunday night, bringing some showers lingering into Monday morning, but that breaks the heat and the humidity. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Medical student meteorologist Hannah Evans.
We were tracking some heavier rainfall earlier this morning, but we have now since dried out, and we will remain cloudy and cool for the rest of the afternoon. Let's take a look now at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Once again, that rain has since moved off into the east, and we are dry from now on through the weekend. But we did get a lot of rainfall this morning, especially in the southern valleys. 2.5 inches recorded in Otsego, 2 1/4 in Hartwick, and just a 1/2 inch in Mohawk, but still 2 inches of rain is a lot. So we did get a lot of rain this morning. There was some issues with ponding on the roadways, but now we are since drying out. We will remain dry through the entirety of the weekend. Sunshine looks to make a return for tomorrow, and this weekend on Saturday and Sunday, it is going to be pretty hot and getting pretty humid. For today, though, expect cloudy and cool conditions. Highs are just going to be right near 70, and then we'll have your full weekly forecast coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Decision 2022.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back. We are tracking dry conditions now in our viewing area, but it is going to remain cool and cloudy through the afternoon. On our Cavity Tower camera, we are seeing mostly cloudy skies. We will continue to see clouds throughout the afternoon, and high temperatures will only reach right near 70. On our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, dry conditions in our viewing area. The rain has since moved out into the east due to that cold front, and it has weakened as well. But earlier on this morning, we were receiving a lot of heavy rainfall, especially in Otsego County. So there was some ponding on the roadways. That is since done, and we will remain dry through the weekend. According to our sky watchers, we are in the 50s and 60s. We have 59 degrees in Old Forge, 60 degrees in Mohawk and Otsego, and 66 degrees in Clinton. We will only reach the upper 60s for the high temperature today due to cloudy skies, so the sun won't be helping warm us up at all. But we are a little bit muggy. We are on the verge of muggy conditions with dew point values in the upper 50s. That will be for today and tomorrow. But come the weekend, it is going to get a lot hotter and more humid with dew point values in the 60s. So it is going to feel very hot, especially on Sunday. A cold front will move through Sunday night into Monday morning, bringing some showers, but that will drop the heat and the humidity for Monday. So if you were planning on heading outside this weekend, definitely recommend staying hydrated. Sunshine for both days, highs in the mid-80s on Saturday, almost near 90 on Sunday. With those humid conditions, it is going to feel a lot warmer outside. So once again, be prepared for that. It is going to be a pretty hot weekend. But through this afternoon, we will remain cloudy and cool. Highs just near 70, but there is a chance to see some sunshine later on into this evening. Tonight, those clouds will slowly start to decrease into tomorrow morning. Sunshine comes in for the day tomorrow. Highs are going to be right near 80, so a beautiful day is in store for tomorrow. Heading into Saturday, it is going to get a little bit warmer and more humid. Sunshine remains with high temperatures in the mid-80s, and then on Sunday we will be almost near 90. As for today, though, high temperatures are going to be in the upper 60s. We are drying out from that heavy rainfall we saw this morning. Mostly cloudy skies, a few peaks of sunshine can be expected later on in the day. Tonight it will remain mostly cloudy. We will slowly start to see those clouds decrease with a low in the upper 50s. So once again, tomorrow is when the sunshine looks to return. Beautiful day tomorrow, highs in the low 80s, getting very hot and humid for Saturday and especially Sunday, highs near 90 with humid conditions. A cold front will move through Sunday night into Monday morning, bringing some showers, but that will break the heat and the humidity for the start of next week. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks once again to
Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis. And rain moved out. We had a nice afternoon.
Yeah, the weather did improve later in the day. It was kind of a dreary start. We're heading in a very different direction as we head into the weekend. It's back to sunshine, warmer weather, and in fact, it's going to feel a lot more like the middle of summer as we head into Saturday and especially Sunday. Live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. It is looking quiet across the area. I'm keeping an eye on some showers well to the north, moving into northern Herkimer County. These will likely glance Old Forge and Inlet, and they'll move into the central part of Hamilton County over the next hour or two. But again, the rest of us are looking at dry weather. We did pop into the 70s today. A brief amount of sunshine allowed that to happen. Current temperature is 74, and winds are calm too. It's not as windy as it's been lately. We're going to get a chance to dry out tonight. Beautiful day tomorrow. And again, it's looking hot and humid as we head into the weekend. This evening, mostly cloudy skies. Temperatures in the upper 60s to low 70s. Again, tracking some very warm weather over the weekend. And look at that forecast coming up. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. The Utica chapter of Sleep.
York's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. Improving conditions. Getting a chance to see some sunshine. Let's take a live look outside. This is our Marabido Tower Cam overlooking Oneonta. We're seeing some sunshine across the Mohawk Valley as well. And nice weather here this evening after a very gloomy first half of the day and a very wet start to the day, especially in Otsego County, where we had more than an inch of rainfall earlier today. It's a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We are continuing to look at dry weather this evening, and it should be very nice. Looking ahead to the weekend, big changes on the way. For those of you that are wondering, where is summer? Well, it's coming. Looking at temperatures in the upper 80s on Saturday. 91 is the forecast high on Sunday. The trend has been getting warmer looking at some of the new information. We're looking at very dry conditions as well, both Saturday and Sunday. The humidity is going to change. It feels a little muggy out there today. It's on the cool side, but the humidity is up. Our dew point is 60 degrees. Here's how it's going to change heading into the weekend. Pretty similar levels of humidity tomorrow, so not too bad. On Saturday, it starts to feel muggy. On Sunday, downright humid. And then it drops dramatically as the cold front arrives, looking ahead to Monday. Our temperatures across the area, it's a lot cooler north and east, where the clouds are being more stubborn. Dulles 69 degrees, Little Falls 68, Inlet 62. Whitesboro 73. You can see where the sunshine is poked out. Sherburne 71, Hamilton 70, and Norwich with 66. Great evening to take the dog out for a walk. If you are planning on doing that, temperatures will be in the low 70s to upper 60s this evening with dry conditions and less wind. Tonight's featured dog is Wilbur from Little Falls. And if you want to be part of this, send your dog photos to Bill's Buddies on Facebook. This is brought to you by StaffWorks. Finally, our weather is starting to change. We've been talking about this front all week long, giving us clouds and showers. This is finally heading to the east. And as it does so, we're going to get a chance to dry out heading into tonight. Storm Tracker 2 skycast, mostly cloudy skies overnight. Some patchy fog is possible, especially in fog-prone areas. Temperatures start out in the upper 50s to low 60s tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. Clouds give way to sunshine. A beautiful Friday is expected, with temperatures climbing to near 80 degrees, a light breeze, and comfortable levels of humidity. The weather looks dry heading into tomorrow night. Saturday looks just as well as plenty of sunshine will continue. Temperatures climb into the mid to upper 80s. Tonight, mostly cloudy, down to 58. Watch out for some patchy fog. Tomorrow, we're looking at plenty of sunshine and an absolutely beautiful day with temperatures in the low 80s. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Again, looking and feeling a lot like the middle of summer over the weekend. 87 on Saturday, 91 on Sunday. The weather changes Monday. A cold front arrives, bringing some rain early. Breezy conditions in the afternoon, low 70s. Temperatures remain in the 70s heading into early next week. And coming up in a few minutes, we're taking a look at a very interesting early morning sky. Some neat planets to be spotted.
Planets? Is that what you said?
Planets,
I thought you said
yes.
I wasn't sure. Planets or plants. Either way, you never know what's going to come out of the Weather Center.
That's for sure.
When Bill gets excited about something. Thank you.
Thanks, Phil.
Bill Cardis, not plants, but planets we are talking about.
Small difference. Yeah, they're aligned in the sky in the morning hours. We talked about this earlier in the week, but the visibility hasn't really been great in the early morning hours. If you're trying to look at this, I think tonight, or I should say tomorrow morning, sky conditions are still questionable, but it does look really decent Saturday and Sunday morning. You're looking at Venus, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn lined up in the southeastern sky, and it should be pretty decent to see this, but you have to get up early or stay up late. This is seen in the sky about 30 minutes before sunrise, so this is close to 5 a.m. Looking outside this evening, live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Things are looking pretty quiet. We are tracking some showers in northern Herkimer County, dropping towards Old Forge, Inlet, and into Hamilton County here over the next hour or so. But other than that, everybody else is looking dry with some sunshine and generally pleasant conditions this evening. Summer is on its way. Temperatures are going to be heating up heading into the weekend. We're tracking the weekend forecast coming up. Kristen, back to you.
The Utica National Boilermaker.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Cardis.
Good evening and welcome back. We are seeing some improvements in our weather. We're starting to see some breaks of sunshine working in from the west. Let's take a live look outside. This is our CAV tower cam. It's been a dreary day for the most part, but we have noticed improvements in the weather over the past couple of hours. Some dry weather is starting to work in from the west, and this is going to set the stage for some very nice weather as we head into the weekend. A live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. The rain that we saw earlier today that took place early this morning has now moved to the east. We did get some heavy amounts of rain, especially out Otsego County, where some places picked up 2 inches of rain. Still seeing some rain across the Adirondacks this evening. The rain is in northern Herkimer County, impacting areas like Old Forge and Inlet over the next half an hour to 45 minutes. This is going to drift into central Herkimer County, or I should say Hamilton County, and this does miss the Mohawk Valley, so this will stay north. As the weather improves tomorrow, as the sunshine comes back out, just a reminder, the sun's rays are the strongest of the entire year. We just had the summer solstice on Tuesday. That's when the sun is highest in the sky throughout the entire year. So tomorrow's UV index, ultraviolet index, is at an 8. So if you are susceptible to sunburns, like most of us are, you're going to want to wear plenty of sunscreen as we head into tomorrow afternoon. The weather will dry out, so if you do have to cut the lawn, you have lots of options over the next couple of days. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday look great. Our MoCast is sponsored by Clinton Tractor. Skywatchers checking in, 71 in Alder Creek, Boonville 68 degrees, West Leyden 73, Old Forge 61. Across Southern Valleys, you can tell which areas have been seeing a little bit more sunshine than others. 73 in Richfield, Whitesboro 71, Sequoia 68, 65 degrees in Mark's Backyard in Milford. A very slow-moving front, which has been the story locally for most of the week, will finally move to the east, and we will see improving weather and warmer weather to follow. Storm Tracker 2 Skycast tonight. Mostly cloudy skies. Some patchy fog is possible by tomorrow morning, especially in areas that are susceptible to that, mainly the valley locations. Temperatures start out in the low 60s. We'll see sunshine tomorrow afternoon, an absolutely beautiful day. A light breeze, temperatures near 80 degrees with comfortable levels of humidity. Tomorrow night, the weather looks dry, overnight lows in the upper 50s. Saturday, another beautiful day, warmer and slightly more humid, plenty of sunshine, temperatures in the upper 80s. Tonight, mostly cloudy, overnight lows in the upper 50s. Again, some patchy fog early tomorrow, giving way to sunshine, a beautiful afternoon, a high of 81 degrees. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast, hazy, hot and humid over the weekend. 87 on Saturday, 91 Sunday. It's breezy, it's much cooler Monday. Showers in the morning, temperatures back into the 70s Tuesday and Wednesday, low 80s by Thursday. We'll be right back.
First check of the forecast with Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
All right, start out very wet today, especially east of Utica, where 1 to 2 inches of rain fell in portions of Herkimer and Otsego counties. We are seeing dry weather, though, this evening, and in fact, a return to some sunshine. Live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. The one exception is to the north. We are tracking some showers working into northern Herkimer County. This is towards Old Forge and Hamilton County. Inlet, part of this as well. These are heading south and east, and these will just impact the Adirondacks and miss the Mohawk Valley. Current temperature is 74 degrees. The sun is back out, and I got a nice finish to the day. It's going to be beautiful as we look ahead to tomorrow, and summer weather is expected as we head into the weekend. We are tracking those very warm temperatures. Look at the forecast coming up. Kristen, back to you.
Decision 2022, early voting.
Most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. A gloomy start to the day with rain. Things have changed, though. We are seeing some improving weather as a front, which has been driving our weather for the past several days, is finally starting to move out. Let's take a live look outside. This is our Cavity Tower Cam. Still looking at overcast skies, but we are occasionally getting some glimpses of sunshine as we look over downtown Utica. This is a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. And again, it is looking pretty quiet across the area, but I do want to look to the north. We are looking at a couple of sprinkles near Old Forge and Inlet. These showers, some steadier rain in extreme northern Hamilton County will be moving into the Adirondacks here over the next couple of hours. Everybody, or just about everybody, is expecting dry weather unless you live in Hamilton County or extreme northern Herkimer County. Could just see a brief shower. The weather is going to warm up, and with the warm weather in sight, just a reminder, we are in the strongest sunlight of the entire year. We just had the summer solstice, and the sun's rays are as high as they are throughout the whole year, so we just keep that in mind. You're going to need to wear sunscreen as the sun comes out here over the next couple of days. Nice weather. We're expecting dry conditions. Temperatures over the weekend look to push the upper 80s to near 90. So dry for mowing the lawn, but if you want the most comfortable weather, I think Friday is going to be your best bet. Our Mowcast is sponsored by Clinton Tractor. Skywatchers this evening, you can tell which areas have seen at least a little bit of sunshine. Temperatures have popped to near 70 or above. Clinton 73, West Leyden 73. It is noticeably cooler east. Curtis Corner 62. Across Southern Valleys, Cooperstown, Stewart 67, Milford, Mark checks in with 65. Lyman and Eaton, a little bit warmer with 72 degrees. Again, that front continuing to drift to the east. Again, still a few showers to the north, but this is all heading out finally. This has been our weather pattern for the past 3 days, and we are looking for drying conditions tonight. Some patchy fog in fog-prone areas, including the Mohawk and Southern Valleys. Temperatures start out in the low 60s tomorrow morning. Plenty of sunshine. Should be an absolutely beautiful Friday. A light breeze. Temperatures will be near 80 degrees. Not all that humid tomorrow. That changes tomorrow night. Looking at clear skies, the winds turn into the south. That's going to bring more humidity as we head into Saturday. Still plenty of sunshine, temperatures in the mid-80s. Mostly cloudy tonight, some patchy fog, a low of 58. Sunshine, a beautiful day tomorrow, 81 for the high. It is looking hazy, hot, and humid over the weekend. 87 on Saturday, bumped up Sunday to 91 degrees. It's looking dry both weekend days. Breezy, cooler Monday, 72 with some rain in the morning. Temperatures stay in the 70s Tuesday and Wednesday. We'll be right back.
Thank you for joining us. We're going to get to those stories in just a moment. First, the rain is behind us and the warm summer weather is on tap, just in time for many graduation ceremonies that are set for the next couple of days. Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis standing by with the good news tonight. Good evening, Bill.
That's right, Jason. You know, graduation season is notorious for having rain around as we head into graduation weekend, but this year we're actually really lucking out. We're expecting lots of sunshine both tomorrow as well as Saturday. Looks like Saturday is going to be a warm day, but Friday shouldn't be too bad for graduation ceremonies in the evening. We're expecting temperatures to be in the upper 70s. On Saturday, just depending on the time, the morning should be a little bit cooler, but by the afternoon, temperatures do climb into the mid-80s. So again, we are looking forward to very nice weather, and a big congratulations to the class of 2022. So you look at our live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Things are looking quiet across the region. We've been dealing with rain earlier today. As we look ahead to tonight, temperatures will drop down into the 60s and into the upper 50s. Our current temperature is 66 degrees. We'll drop down into the upper 50s overnight. Watch out for some patchy fog. It looks like a beautiful Friday and an even nicer weekend. I'll look at that forecast along with the finale of the bus stop forecast. That's coming up. Jason, back to you.
Oh, kids are going to love to hear that.
Most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. We're taking a live look outside. It's our CAV Tower Cam overlooking the city of Utica. Pretty quiet weather across the area. A couple of sprinkles are showing up to the west. I think tonight's weather is mostly cloudy. We might see some patchy fog as we head into tomorrow morning, but in general, the weather looks to stay dry. And the big story is the warmth, which is on the way. Not quite tomorrow, but certainly for the weekend. We are looking at summer-like heat. Temperatures in the upper 80s on Saturday, into the low 90s on Sunday. Hazy, hot, and humid. We've got lots of sunshine in store over the next couple of days. And just a reminder, you're going to want to wear the sunscreen. We just got past the summer solstice. The sun angle is the highest it is all year. And so you will burn if you're not prepared. We're looking at plenty of sunshine, dry weather over the next couple of days. And you saw the weekend forecast. If you're not a fan of cutting the lawn in hot weather, you might want to do it tomorrow. It should be dry. But again, all 3 days do look dry. Our MoCast is sponsored by Clinton Tractor. Let's take you around the clock tomorrow, starting out at 7 a.m. Look at how temperatures warm up. We start out in the low 60s. We end up in the low 80s, so a beautiful day. A light wind. In fact, calm winds in the morning, and we're looking at lots of sunshine from start to finish. And this is all thanks to a front that has been part of our weather for the past 3 days. It's finally moving to the east, and behind it, much warmer weather. And we will see some dry weather as well. Storm Tracker 2 Skycast tonight. Patchy fog. Overnight lows drop down into the low 60s. It's a beautiful day tomorrow. Plenty of sunshine. The humidity tomorrow isn't bad. It will feel maybe a touch muggy. It's not until Saturday that you'll notice the increase in humidity. We are looking at dry weather tomorrow night as well as Saturday. Plenty of sunshine heading into Saturday afternoon. Again, Saturday looking to be warmer temperatures in the mid to upper 80s. The humidity is going to be highest on Sunday before some cooler and drier weather arrives early next week. Mostly cloudy skies tonight. We're down to 58. A beautiful day tomorrow. A high of 81 rather. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. A cold front arrives on Sunday night. This brings rain and a big drop in the temperature. It's breezy on Monday with showers in the morning. Temperatures in the low 70s. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday looking dry. Temperatures warm up. Will be in the low 80s again by next Thursday. We'll be right back.
Jason Powless, thank you for joining us tonight. We're going to get to those stories in just a moment. First, though, the rain is gone behind us, and the warm summer weather is on tap. Just in time for many graduation ceremonies that are set for the next few days. Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis standing by with the good news.
Yeah, actually, I'm sitting tonight, Jason. We're getting you ready for graduation season, and I just want to tip my hat to the graduates here. We're looking at sunshine for Friday evening and even into Saturday. I know this time of the year is tough because usually graduation features some rain in our area, so we are looking at pretty nice weather here, looking at sunshine both Friday and Saturday. Whether your ceremony's Friday evening or if it's Saturday morning, we should have decent weather also for all the graduation parties over the weekend, too. So perfect timing for this nice weather. Well, have a look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Things are looking pretty quiet. Current temperature is 64 degrees, and heading into tonight, we may see some patchy fog develop. Other than that, it's looking pretty quiet. Temperatures in the upper 50s. We've got the season finale of the bus stop forecast. And that's coming up. Jason, back to you.
The tip of the hat forecast. Gotta love it. Thank you, Bill.
York's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. We're taking a live look outside. This is our CAV Tower Cam overlooking the city of Utica. The weather tonight looking pretty quiet. Now looking at mostly cloudy skies and dry conditions on the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We are looking forward to very nice weather heading into the weekend. It is going to be very warm, though, so if the hot and humid weather is not your cup of tea, this is not going to be a nice weekend. But for the rest of us who enjoy the summer heat, Saturday looks to be a nice day, 87 for the high. Sunday, a hot day, temperatures approaching 90 degrees. A reminder, if you are going to be spending some time outdoors, we are looking at some of the strongest sun rays of the whole year. We just got past the summer solstice earlier this week. That's when the sun's rays are strongest, and tomorrow's UV index is at an 8, which is very high, so you're going to need to wear sunscreen not only tomorrow, but over the next couple of days if you're going to be spending time outdoors. With the weekend forecast in mind, let's take a look at the MoCast. The weather is dry, but you'll be able to cut the lawn if you want to. I think tomorrow is going to be the best day of the next 3 as we have much warmer weather in the way. Our MoCast is sponsored by Clinton Tractor. Let's take you around the clock tomorrow, starting out at 7 a.m., temperatures in the low 60s. Look at how fast we warm up. We're into the 70s by 10 o'clock and then into the low 80s in the afternoon. So a very warm day, a lot warmer than it's been. And we have a light wind, very light winds in the morning, if not calm winds at times, with a light breeze in the afternoon. And looking at decent weather from start to finish with mostly sunny skies. A front that's been in charge of our weather for the past 3 days is finally moving to the east, and that's going to set the stage for nice weather to move into central New York. And again, tonight we're looking at dry conditions. Some patchy fog is possible by tomorrow morning. Temperatures start out in the low 60s. Beautiful day tomorrow. Sunshine, light wind, temperatures near 80 degrees. Tomorrow night, the weather remains dry. And then heading into Saturday, plenty of sunshine. Temperatures climb into the mid to upper 80s. Tonight, mostly cloudy. Patchy fog, a low of 58. Tomorrow, a beautiful day. The humidity isn't too bad tomorrow. The high is 81. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. We'll notice an increase in the humidity Saturday. That's going to feel a bit humid. Sunday feels very humid. That 91 will feel more like mid-90s. Cold front arrives Sunday night. I don't expect severe weather. We'll continue to keep an eye on it, but the timing of the front does not look favorable for any strong weather. It happens overnight and into early Monday. Monday is breezy and cooler with showers early. Temperatures in the 70s Tuesday and Wednesday. Low 80s again by Thursday. We'll be right back.